Welcome to the Crypto Injury channel. Let's look at Ethereum. Right now, Ethereum is pumping. I did take a long Ethereum because we broke it out above the 4-hour 200 moving average. So I longed right around 26.20. I did get it a little late, but I got fortunate that we got pumped, and now my stop loss is in profits at 26.50. So we start to really break down, even on the 1 minute time frame, I will get stopped out. It's below this last local low here. So yeah, that's where I put my stop loss. I opened the trade on the 4-hour, but because we were pumping so much on the 1 minute, right after I entered the trade, I decided to lock in some more profits. So we make another flag here and put in another higher low on the 1 minute. I'll put my stop loss at 26.80. We'll see what happens. At some points getting a little crazy, but you have to understand on the 4-hour time frame, our next real resistance is 27.70. So we can go sideways for an hour or so, but again, I'm looking for 27.70 some point in the next day or so, because that's our next resistance. So if you stay above 24.65, which is strong support, and above the 4-hour 200, that's really where I'd be targeting, is that 27.70 strong resistance level, or at least get close to it before we get rejected. So let's see what happens, but that's the next target for Ethereum. I'll be live tonight at 9 p.m. Central Time on YouTube and TikTok. Hopefully I see you guys in one of those two areas, probably most likely YouTube, because that's where this video is being placed at. But you also have this falling wedge here, or I would say it was more of a bull pennant. With that even has a measure move of 29.52. So I at least this week see a move likely to 27.70. We'll see what happens. But the fact you got back above 200 and such a bullish engulfing green candle after you did that is very bullish to me for a continuation to the upside. And the smaller time frames look bullish as well. At this point, this is becoming a little bit of a rising wedge here on the smaller time frame. So just be cautious. I'm not giving you financial advice to long it. But if you, I would wait for the 4-hour time frame if you're not in a long to get a reset. If you make another higher low above the 4-hour 200 at 25.24, that could be a good place for a long. Right now, if you're not in a trade, it's pretty sketch to enter one. But I will say this looks like we could easily go to 27.70 in the next day or two. That's my update. I'm more bullish than bearish right now, and as long as you stay above 24.65, I would be long on the 4-hour time frame, and I will leave it at that. If you hit 27.70 or hit 26.50, I'm out of my trade in profits either way. That's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next one. Again, live stream in about 2 hours. Cheers and have a great rest of your Monday.